life right over here. Go to the right. Let's look at him a second. All right, right there. Look at him spin. Woo! All right, pull down the left one. Okay. Look at the camera's popping. Haha.
That's great.
Kevin, what'd you think about that, buddy? I mean, Jeff, I'm sorry, man.
It was awesome, dude.
So you came out of Chattanooga Skydiving Company, had a good time?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right, man. Give me a high five, buddy.
Doing
Welcome
it again,
to the world
too.
of skydiving.
Doing it again.